Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a table on our web page using HTML. So we're gonna use HTML table tag for that, and also there are some other tags we use along with the table tag for the HTML table, like caption, which will put the title above the table, and then we have the th tag or table heading tag. This will basically put the headings on the top of the table, and then we have to create the rows for our table with the tr table row tag, and then uh, we have to, in each row we have to create cells basically, which will be holding the actual data. So td or table data tags will be used. So now I will show you all of these tags in action. So here I am on the program is online HTML editor. I'm going to use this because as soon as I type the code over here on my right side of the screen, I can see the output. So I begin with the coding now. At line number 1, I start with the first tag of HTML, and then I will put the head tag. Head tag is basically used to put the title at the top of the web page on the title bar. So I type here creating table, and then I close my title, and then the head tag. Closing tags always begin with slash, as you know. So now I have the title creating table. Here you can see creating table is the title. Now it's time to create a table here on the page, which is for which first we need a body tag. Yeah, so we start with the body tag, and then I type the table tag. So table I need, yeah, and then on top of the table I have to put a caption as student result, and then I close the caption tag. Now here on the next line I have to start with the table row tag, tr or table row tag, but you can see on my right side uh, this table tag is not actually working how I want it to work. So something is missing here inside the table tag. I have to specify a couple of attributes, like width of my table. So the width equals, sorry, it should be here, click here. So the width equals, yeah, so I put width as 75% of my page, for example, the width of my page. So 75%, I must put the, sorry, the percent sign here, yeah, and then the border, and I specify the border for my table as 3 points, for example. Yeah. Now you can see on my right side here on the screen that a border line with 3% width is created, and the table width is 75% of my page. Okay, so what if I change this width to 100%? If I put here 100, so you will see that my table will cover the all the width of my page here. So I'll keep it at 75% at the moment, like this. Now here, after the table, to specify the table row here, I have to specify the table heading, what will go at the top here, like name and the subject names, as we are creating student result table. So what I need to do is I click here and I type here table heading th tag, and then I put name as table heading, and my second table heading will be the subject name, English for example, and close the tag with the slash. Now I have two uh, headings here at the moment. So I will go for the next one, th, and for example, and just one more to finish with, another table heading, and computer, and the closing tag. Now I have the table with headings here. Four headings are there. So now this row is completed. I have to close the row now again with the starting with slash and tr, table row. I need to close this, and I move to next line, and then I start a next row with the tr tag, and then I have to specify the table data, td. You are going to use the td tag here. So I put the name of the first student, Katie, for example, and then I close this tag, and then I move to the next line, and I have to put another table data, which are marks for English. So the English marks are here, close table data, and then marks for other subjects. Now then, we completed a table now. This row is completed. So I have to close this row with the tr tags beginning with a slash. So this row is completed. So like that, you can repeat this code starting from here, this table here, in fact, the table row, yeah, this code here, you can repeat to add more rows to your table. So right now I'm going to uh, close this table with a closing tag of the table. Okay, so I start with the closing tag like this, and I close the table, and then I put the closing body tag, and at the end you can always put the closing HTML tag as well. As you can see here, the closing HTML tag is there, this one. Alright, now one thing, this caption here at the top, if I want to increase the size and make it look beautiful, so I can always go here in the caption. So outside the caption tag, I will be using here a font tag, and I use font, and I specify size, font size equals 3, for example, and then close the font tag, yeah, and here, yeah, and then I put the closing font tag, yeah, font 4, 5. Now the size is 5, font size 5. Here you will put font size 5, and you will get it better than before. You can always change this number here to see which size, basically 3, 4 or 5, like this. Whatever you see looks good, you can put always there with this font tag. But these two tags should be inside the caption tag so that they are applied on the caption here at the top. So that's how you can create a table in HTML. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.